Are you spending too much time in the machine making adjustments to work offsets, parameters, and the measurement of parts? If you're answering yes to any of those, then make sure you're joining us on Wednesday, the 30th of June, for our Probing Questions live event here from the Engineering Technology Group. So David Mould, you're from Blum. What are we going to learn during the live event?
Yeah, thank you. It's basically what we're going to show is all the in-process metrology solutions for CNC machines. We all know that these machine tools are highly accurate, highly repeatable pieces of kit.
Yes.
But there are three variables effectively that need to be controlled to control the entire process. One is the cutting tool. The cutting tool obviously is going to wear, it's going to break. The other is the workpiece itself. There's going to be changes in the workpiece, and temperature is going to affect the whole process. So we have a range of products that we're going to show which control those three variables, so the entire process is completely in control and you produce good parts every time off the machine.
Super exciting event. It's going to be happening live. Live event is where you can write in. You can be writing directly your questions to David. Make sure you're joining us on Wednesday, the 30th of June on all of our social channels.